बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम. हटना नहीं है, समझना है. My name is Sajida Raza. I am a student of class 3. My school name is Faizan Islamic School System, Hyderabad, Pakistan. Today we are going to learn class 9 maths, chapter number 4, Factorization, exercise 4.1, question number 3, Sindh Board, part 3. Question number 3, factorize the following. My dear 9th class students, there are methods. First, take common method. This take common method we use in previous video, but we are not using take common method. We will not use millitron break method. Only we will use the formulas method, and we will not use combination of these three. And very importantly, your target is make your question the right hand side of the formula. When you will not follow this question, you cannot solve it. And there are the steps. Step number 1, write the questions. I am writing the question. Question number 2, 36 x power 4 plus 12 x power 2 plus 1. Now listen to me one thing. On the 1, you can write which you like the power. 2, 3, 4. But answer will be 1 here. We have done the first, second. Value of A and B. Value of A and B. How can we will learn which value of A and B, but not 2A and 3B? Look. First of all, 36 x power 4. 36, we can write 36 like factors. 6 multiplied by 6. They called factors. This 6 will become here 1 factor only. Now let's come to x power 4. They are 4. On the 4, we can divide 2. That's why the half of 4x square is a cube. X and cube. X and cube will become here. X square will become here. Multiply by x square आ जाएगा. X square. Like now, this 6x square will become here. Now B 1, and we will use for this the third term 1. 1 is simple. 1 multiplied by 1 is equal to 1. That's why 1 will become here. Okay. Now we have done this second. Now let's come to third. Write formula. Now I am writing the formula. Is equal to A square plus 2AB plus B square. Plus B square. Now we have done the writing the formula. But listen to me. Make your question, your target is make your question the right hand side of the formula. First of all, we have done this. Now put values in bracket. Now we put the values. First of all, this is equal to, make a bracket, plus sign, plus 2, make a bracket, plus make a bracket. Done. This and this. A is a 6x square. B has 1 will become here. Second, a square 6x 2a 6x b 1 b 1. Now let's multiply. This, the left hand side will write down as it is. X square plus 1 bracket whole square. Now 6 6 36 x square as it is. 2 2 6 12 x. Sorry, the powers will be add. X square 2 2 plus 4. Now 2 6 12 x square and here 4. Now 1 1 1 will become here. Now see 36x power 4 36x power 4 plus 12 x square plus 1 plus 1. Now let's come to left hand side. Left hand side is 6x power 2 plus 1 cube, and it is your answer. The book answers are written. You can check it. Sorry, whole square. Now, question number 2. 6x square plus 1 whole square plus 1 whole square. Okay? No like, no subscribe, no like, no subscribe, only share.